went and did my brows, primed my lids, primed my face, and I think I want to play with this today. I bought this. This is what I'll show you guys what it looks like. I bought this and I never used it. Got some pretty colors in it. So I never used it. So why not play in it today? Came to play. so I'm back. This is the finished look. Got on our, this is just a cheapy wig from the beauty supply store. I am not into buying human hair wigs. I just don't like. Anyways, so this is the finished look. Threw on a little romper, for picture purposes. This was not the plan, let me tell you. This was not the plan, because I wanted to wear this pretty springy yellow shirt, and then I sat down and this happened. So yeah, I had to change the side, but this is it. This is the look. These are the nails from Naillist. Ignore where they're dyed. Of course, they're a little brown from my foundation, but it's like a really pretty lavender. I'll do a screenshot, but yeah, this is it. These lashes are from Kiss. They're the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection, and I have on Teddy. Lash bands are always too long for my eyes, so I always have to cut some of them off, but this is them, and this is it. Do you guys like it? I don't know if I want to put a, I'm sweating, like I'm so hot. Like, I'm like my upper lip is sweating. I feel like I want to put a gloss over the top of it. I'm not sure, but I know I need to take some pictures before I sweat. The heck, oh. Wait, I want to take it this way. Here, let's fix it. She's sweating and my forehead's sweating too. I'm just sweaty. I sweat a lot. It's super hot up here. It means it's super hot outside. But this was lit. This was it. If you guys like it, please thumbs up. Let me know you like it. I'm trying to perfect this. Perfecting my skin right now to me takes precedence over my eyes. I know if I just keep doing my eyes, I'll eventually get a whole lot better. So for me, my skin takes precedence. But yeah, I'm excited to get back to doing tutorials, or not even tutorials, just doing my makeup on camera. And if you like it, you can follow it. If not, you know, hey, everybody has their own flavor of tea, and I may not be your flavor, and that's okay, and that's all good. And I'm good with it. But this is me. This is 33-year-old Tricia trying to be the best that she can be, trying to not let what others may think influence how I feel about myself. That's my goal. That was my goal for turning 33, and that's what I intend to do. So this is the finished look. If you like it, by all means, thumbs up. Don't leave without subscribing. Join my the crazy that we do over here. We keeps it real. You don't have to worry about no faking, no fronting. What is it? No capping. I think that's the word. Because we keep it real. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Pause. One last thing. Everything that I used in this video, with the exception of the foundation, one of my blushes, was new. So this is a whole face. And the eyes were done using the Burn book. Mean Girls is not one of my favorite movies at all, and I've had this since it came out, and today was my first day using it. So the eyes were done using this and solely this for shadows, and then I tried to do a liquid eyeshadow, but I didn't like it, so I just went back over it with the silver out of this. So those are the colors in the Burn book. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, for real this time. Bye.